Okay, buddy.
You've got something in there. You're like the multi-purpose tool guy. You're special. I'd always hoped that right before I died, my life would flash before my eyes and I would see wonderful things. A life full of parties and friends and how I'd learn to play the guitar and maybe there'd even be a girl. But as I was hanging up there, I didn't really see much of anything.
Love. Okay, you want to go home so you can have love.
Yeah.
But you ran away because nobody loves you.
That's not true.
You're broken and empty and dirty and smelly and useless and old.
Crazy. I'm fucking crazy. Maybe, just maybe, I'll make it alone. You can't use your gas in front of other people.
What? Why not?
Because it's weird.
Do you have any idea what people back at home would think if they saw me dressed like this?
Oh, we all sing songs together, right?
No. The other people will stare at you if you sing, so you listen to your own music.
Oh.
Yes, Manny.
People aren't supposed to talk about this stuff.
Okay, what is life?
Okay.
This is you. This is your body. And that's where your brain is, and that's where you're going to remember something. Humans have evolved over millions and millions of years to be this way. And we do all this stuff because it helps us survive. Kind of. Back in civilization, there's 7 billion other living people on the planet just running around and blinking and breathing and eating, and you used to be one of them.
Can anybody hear me? I'm lost.
Wow.
This is my phone, Manny, not yours. And Sarah is a girl I saw on the bus every day. But I never had the courage to even talk to her. I didn't think someone like her would ever want to be with me. I didn't even want to be with me.
Chrissy?
Manny, help me get home.
What
are you doing?
I'm singing a song so you won't overthink things.
Manny, this is just the beginning. Well, every day you ride the bus and count the minutes, hoping you'll see her again.
Oh my God.
She smiles, and you feel a strange tingle up the back of your neck. Something carnal inside of you causes your body to break out in sweats. You feel like the